What's up, guys? Welcome to Blake's Garage and another totally tubular 2-minute tool time Tuesday. Today, we're gonna cut some stuff. That's right, stay tuned. So if you guys have been watching the channel for a while, you know I like to cut stuff, and I want to talk about today's totally tubular 2-minute tool time tool. What the heck is this right here? It's basic. Maybe you think it's lame, but I'm gonna tell you that it's freaking awesome and totally tubular. So this little thing right here, this is pretty handy dandy and important in the garage, you know? Yeah. These come in super handy, and that is razor blades. Just a literal pack of razor blades. I bought this, I put it on my wall, and this is one of my favorite tools that I have in the shop nowadays. Like, I use this so often. And I mean, there's obviously all the very common uses just for, you know, cutting open packaging, whatever you got to do. You know, you can slice and dice things with no effort whatsoever. You can shave your face if you need to, shave your beard, whatever. But these come in super handy for other reasons as well. So there are a few other tools that I like to use with these razors. This guy right here is one of my favorites. So what's cool about this is you can reload the razor blades. Now, you buy this, it comes with like a little 5-pack of razor blades, and that lasts, I don't know, like 2 gaskets or something like that on an engine. Whereas, you know, buying a kit like this comes in super handy because I don't run out that freaking often, which is great. So these load up very easily. They just have a little squisher right here, and you can just load your blade right in there. Boom. And now I can go ahead and just start scraping whatever the heck I need to clean the area up, which works awesome. I love these little guys. These things work amazing. So there's that, and I also like your little cheapo one too. So you can get these in metal, you can get these in plastic. They work amazing also, just for cutting up stuff. So when I like to mock up things with cardboard, I really enjoy using a razor blade, because if you use your regular knife, you're gonna dull that knife up very quickly. So messing with cardboard for templates and different types of paper, obviously a razor blade is where it's at. And having this little mass quantity of them is great. It's got 2 little guys on the back here, and I just mount it up on my wall like that. Bada boom, bada bang. I pull out blades. I can put blades back in there. Also in the top, I kind of dispose of the blades in the top right here, which is a very nice solution for getting rid of your razor blades as well. Because that is another very important thing to do, is dispose of your razor blades properly. That way they're not in the trash can and they're not cutting people's hands off. That's not good. We don't want to do that. We don't want to do that. Now I'm gonna go see if I can find some sort of like sharps box or something like that. That's another tool that I want to get for the shop. So if I do, I'll put a little picture right here and I'll put a link down in the description. This is something that I like to use all the time when I'm working in the shop. Comes in super handy doing vinyl, doing cardboard cutting, doing gasket scraping, whatever. Razor blades come in handy, and having a bulk quantity of them is just like, oh, it's so nice. It's so nice. So anyways, guys, let me know what you think. Oh, that's right. Today, right here. See these? See those? Yeah. Motorsport hardware, stud conversion for BMWs. I'm gonna be giving away these. So check out today's Instagram post. All you gotta do is tag 2 friends and follow me and Motorsport Hardware, and you can be entered to win. We'll probably pick that in a few days after it kind of settles down. And yeah, you guys can win those awesome guys right there. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. We will talk to you soon. Leave me an idea down below if you guys have a good idea for the totally tubular 2-minute tool time tool. Also, links down in the description as always, and we'll talk to you soon. Later, and wrench on.